After that, I'm going to apply the top stitch onto this strap. To do that, I'm going to come over here to material and then top stitch, and I'm going to select segment top stitch. Okay. After that, I'm going to just come down here, hover the mouse over, you see this highlight blue appear, click on it. Then I'm going to click over here as well on this end of the fabric, then over here, then over here, over here. So as you can see, now we just apply the top stitch onto this edge. After that, I'm going to come over here to this default top stitch and I'm going to click on it. And I want to name it single. Okay. After that, I'm going to come over here to this add button, click one to add another top stitch. And this time I'm going to change the name to double. After that, I'm going to come over here and zoom in a little bit to this end tip. I'm going to apply that top stitch onto this right here, this end tip line, this internal line. Then I'm going to, once again guys, come back and click on that double top stitch. And then I can come down here and slide down, slide down. I want to change the faces to, instead of front, I wanted to change it to both. And number of lines, instead of 1, I want to change it to 2. Okay. And as you can see, we just have double stitches right here and single stitches on this edge of this belt strap. Okay. So let me come back and click on this right here, this single top stitch, and come down here. Once again guys, change this face to both rather than front, because we want the belt stitches to appear both back and front. Okay, next I'm going to just click one on the page to release from this selection, and I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. Okay. And we want to apply double top stitches onto right here, this line right here. To do that, I'm going to just click on this double top stitches and I'm going to come over here and click on the second internal line to apply that top stitch. And now you can see these are double rather than single.
Hi, I'm Rose Willie from encoderfashion. There is more information under this video. Bye!